Sir, how you can access characters of the string by using index? We covered already. Sir, how you can access characters of the string by using slice operator? We have to discuss, right? Sir, have you remembered in the language fundamentals I covered already? Slice operator, basic introduction I provided, sir. Piece. I want to get one slice, one substring from the given string. We require to go for slice operator, right? Sir, what is the difference between index and slicing? Index, by using index, you can get only one character. But by using slice, you can get a range of characters. Substring we are going to get. So slice means substrings. Suppose I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P is there. Assume that. Sir, I want this piece. I want this piece. Okay? Or I want this piece. Regarding each substring is by default considered as one slice. Regarding just like our apple slice. Apple slice means what? One piece, one part. Okay, like, sir, I want this part, or I want this part. How you can get a substring from the given string means slice operator, right? But what is the basic syntax for the slice operator? Just aware, sir. Sir, here do you know slice operator contain 3 arguments. How many arguments? 3 arguments are there. First argument begin, second argument end, third argument steps. Regarding first argument is begin, second argument is end, third argument is step like this, right? 3 arguments are available. Sir, first I will introduce only these 2. Later we will talk about that. So step argument is optional. Okay, later we will talk about this one, sir. So yes, begin colon end. What it's going to return is, this is the syntax for slice operator, right? What it will return is, it returns a substring. It returns a substring from begin index to, observe very carefully, begin index to end minus 1 index. From begin index to end minus 1 index, not end index, friends. Observe a bit very carefully. It returns substring from begin index to end minus 1 index. Suppose if you are not specifying begin attribute is optional. Begin is optional, son. Okay. And default value is from beginning onwards. From beginning onwards means what is the index of first character? 0. So that's why is optional. And default value is 0. Remember this one, 0. Next, end is optional. And default value. If you are not specifying end, it is going to consider until last. That's default value is length of given string. Length of given string means until last character by default is going to consider. Remember that. Only 3 points I covered, sir. What is the basic syntax? With 2 arguments. But third argument step is there. Later we will get. First get the clarity up to this one, sir. So substring from begin index to n minus 1 index. Sir, it returns a substring from begin to n minus 1. Next, begin is optional, default value is 0. Next, end is optional and the default value is length of s. Sir, can you explain with a small example like you may ask? Very simple, let me consider, sir. Sir, s is equal to, sir, here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, like this I am taking, sir. Take very special care. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay, like I am taking. Sir, what is the index? Index for A is the 0. Index for B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sir. Okay, 0 to 10, 11 characters are there in my string. Now, S of 2 to 7 I want. Can you please tell S of 2 to 7 means what the value we are going to get? Please confirm. S of 2 to 7. 2 to 7 means what? From begin index to n minus 1 index. 2 to 6 we have to get. 2 to 6 means, do you know? 2 to 6 means, sir, C2 until G. So this slice we are going to get. This part we are going to get. So what answer we will get, sir? C, D, E, F, G. This is the answer we are going to get. Take very special care. Next, S of, sir, colon 7. Oh, begin attribute, you are not specifying. Begin, if you are not specifying, what is the default value for begin? 0. 0 is the default value. 0 means from the beginning. In this case, from 0 to n minus 1, 7 minus 1 means 6. Sir, automatically until, so like, what is the answer we are going to get, sir? A, B, C, D, E, F, G we will get. Okay. Similarly, I'm taking S of 2 colon, like I'm taking, sir, begin attribute, but the end attribute I'm not taking. Regarding begin attribute I'm taking, but end attribute I'm not taking. If you are not specifying end attribute, the default is length of the string, total characters, right? So begin is 2. So 2 to end of the string. 2 to end of the string. So C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K itself is the answer. Remember this one. So with begin and end attributes, what is the behavior? Okay, like, sir, S of just a colon, that's all. We are not specifying begin attribute, we are not specifying end attribute, then what value we are going to get, sir? Very simple, total string we will get. Are you getting? Total string, because you didn't specify begin, default value 0. 0 means from beginning onwards. You didn't specify end, default value is length of the string. So begin to end, all characters we are going to get means total string we will get. Everyone in the position to understand, right? So with the begin and the end, what is the behavior? You people should have clear clarity, sir. And then if you feel comfortable, then we will go for step attribute. Just let me execute up to this, right? Have a look once. Sir, I'm just taking here py, here like I'm trying to take, sir, py, like, sir, S is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay, like I'm taking, sir, S is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay, like I'm taking, sir, S of 2 to 7. S of 2 to 7, sir. So from, sir, which value we are going to get, sir? From 2 index to 7 minus 1 means 6 index we are going to get. 2 to 7 means, do you know, 0, 1. Sir, this is the C2. Sir, have you observed, right? C2 G. 2 to 6 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like 2 to C. Like we are going to get. Observe that. C, D, E, F, G. We are getting perfectly. Sir, S of colon 7 I am taking. Sir, begin attribute, I didn't specify. If I am not specifying begin attribute, what is the default value for begin attribute, sir? 0, 0. That's why it is considering from begin from beginning onwards, right? Now, have a look once. S of colon 7. Okay? A, B, C, D from beginning onwards until 6th index we are going to get, sir. So here what we are getting, it's a very clear for you people, right? Sir, I'm taking S of 2 colon, like I'm taking. So from second index to last character it's going to take, because you didn't specify end. That's why. Okay, what the answer we are getting, sir? Sir, C. So from second index to until last we are going to get. Perfect, sir. Sir, if I take S of colon, that's all. No begin attribute, no end attribute. No begin attribute, no end attribute. Now we are going to get total string. Now we will get what? Total string from A to K. Happily we are going to get. Sir, Any doubt about this terminology, right? How to use slice operator? What is the begin attribute? What is the end attribute? Is that clear? If you feel comfortable up to this, now I will go for next level. What is the step attribute? Third argument I have to introduce. Clear? Sir, up to this it is very clear about slice operator, begin attribute, end attribute, right? Sir, what is a step? Okay, now full syntax of slice operator is this one, sir. Begin colon end colon step. Step means how much increment you want. Step means how much increment you want. If you are not taking step, the default value for step is 1, sir. The default value for step is 1. 1 means every next character, every first character you require to consider. Means every continuation character you have to take. Sir, what it means? Can you explain with an example, like you may ask? Very simple, sir. Let me take s is equal to my string s is equal to a b c d e f g h i j k. Only I am taking, sir. So this is my string a b c d e f g h i j k. Observe that a, okay, b c d e f g h i j k. Okay, this is the string what I have. Take a bit special care. Sir, what is the index? What is the index? Here just observe 0 1 2 3 4 positive index, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 0 to 10, like this, right? Sir, now s of 2 to 7 colon 1. 2 to 7 colon 1. Sir, whether we are taking, sir, colon 1, or if we are not taking colon 1, both are same. What the reason is? Default value for step is 1. So here we specified explicitly, but we didn't specify. What it will do is from begin to n-1, from 2 to 6 range. In this range, sir, every next character is going to consider. Means every character will consider from 2 to 6. 2 to 6 means, sir, this is the 2 to 6 means, sir, this is. So C, D, E, F, G up to that, right? So what is the answer? C, D, E, F, G we are getting. Okay, well, take a bit very special care, sir. Sir, I am taking S of 2 to 7 colon 2 I am taking. Boss, what is the meaning of, what is the value of step I am taking? 2 I am taking. So means that 2 to 6, can you please consider every second character? What it means, sir? Sir, actually 2 to 6 means, this is the thing, C to G. In that step value is 2. You have to jump 2 cells. Means, sir, every second character we have to consider. What it means is, first C we have to take. And then next character is D. Sorry, I don't want. Every second character I have to consider. Second character is E. Okay, E. Similarly, next character is F. I don't want, sir. Every second character I have to consider. G I require to consider. So C, E, G we are going to get. So from 2 to 6, please consider every second character. Okay, like, sir, what is the answer we are going to get? C, E, G itself is the answer. Clear, right? Sir, let me execute this code. Observe carefully. Here I am taking S means S is already there. What is the value of S, sir? Sir, this is S is, this one is already there. Sir, now I am taking S 2 to 7. What answer we are getting? C, D, E, F, G. Okay, from 2 to begin to n-1 index. S of 2, 7 colon 1. Step value is 1. Whether we are specifying step value or not, default value is 1. Same answer we are getting. Have you observed, right? Here, whatever answer we are getting, in this case also same answer we are getting. Sir, S of 2 to 7 colon 2, sir. Colon 2. means every second character 2 to 6 range, every second character we have to consider C, and then E, and then G we have to consider C, E, G. Observe carefully, sir. C, E, G we are going to get. Clear? Sir, similarly, observe a bit carefully, sir. If I can take 3, sir. If I can take 3, what will happen? S of 2:7:3. You know already. 2:7:3 means every third character we have to consider in the range 2 to 6. So every third character means, observe carefully, sir. So 2 to 6 means C, D, E, F, G. Okay, that's all. Every third character, okay, first C will be considered. Every third character means D the first character, E the second character, F is the third character. Okay, F, C, F. And then every third character means next G is the first character, already range crossed. We have to take only 2 to 6 only. 2 to 6, only 2 characters are there, C, F. Sir, what the answer? C, F we have to take. Remember, now have a look once. Sir, here S of 2:7:3 I'm taking. 2:7:3. Now, what the answers are? C, F. Are you getting right? C, F you are going to get. Similarly, here I'm taking. Similarly, here I'm taking, observe very carefully about this terminology, right? Sir, my requirement is, sir, here just I'm taking S, that's all. Yes, okay, colon, yes, colon, like, now, sir, 2 I'm taking. What is the meaning of this one? Colon 2 means from begin to end, every second character we have to take. Are you getting? Every second character, A, and then C, and then E, and then G, like we have to get. Sir, let me take 1. 1 means every next character, all characters. If I can take S of colon 2, every second character. If I can take S of colon 3, every third character. Are you getting? Like step value is going to be decided. I hope you people are in the position to understand what is the meaning of step value, right? Have a look once. Sir, here S of colon 1. Step value is 1, sir. Step value is 1. What the answer we are going to get? Sir, all, every character by default we are going to get A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, like we are going to get, sir. 1 minute. Yes, A, B, C, D, E, F like this. S of colon 2 I'm taking, sir. So in this, every second character, A, next C, and then E, next and after that G, and then I, and then K we have to get. Observe what the answer we are going to get. A, C, E, G, I, K we are going to get. Next, S of colon 3. Okay, colon 3 means every third character we have to get. Sir, A, next the third character means D, next character means G, next character means J. A, D, G, J, like we have to get, sir. A, D, G, J, okay, like A, D, G, J, like that's all. So I hope you are in the position to understand what is the meaning of step value, begin attribute, end attribute, like. Clear up to this? Any doubt?